hogs are basically trapped inside. Their only hope is that the lion gets tired and gives up. But the lion drags one hog out from the tunnel entrance. It's too young, and the second female manages to escape. Most of the antelopes still have no idea what's happening. But the hunt isn't over yet. An attack like this is never easy, even with the advantage of surprise. What started as a midday nap turns into a nightmare. The hyena hangs on with all its weight. There's no way it's letting go. Now, another member of the clan joins in.